What if I told you budgeting could change your life? In the next few seconds, you'll learn how to master your finances. Budgeting starts with knowing your income and expenses. Write down all your sources of income. Next, list every expense, no matter how small. Now, choose a budgeting method. The 50/30/20 rule is popular. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. Zero-based budgeting is another option. Every dollar is assigned a job. Need help getting started? Use tools and apps like Mint or Anab. They simplify tracking and planning. Sticking to a budget takes discipline. Review it regularly and adjust as needed. Keep your goals in mind for motivation. Budgeting isn't restrictive, it's freeing. Like what you see. Subscribe for more financial tips.